everyone, what's up? It's DNC. We are on the set of our new video for Fuck. Let me do it again. We are on the set of our new video for Okay. Of our new video for Dancing Feet with Kygo. We have to think about what we're gonna say. With a stranger. All I'm trying to do is make you get up out that chair and make you move. Make you move. Grab that drink and meet me on the dance floor, baby. Let's get crazy, move. Baby, move. Just need one word to get to you. So tell me now, do you want it?
Joe, you really need to stop doing this to me.
Like that?
I might be leaving with a stranger. Joe, what the hell are you doing when my reverse came out? All I'm trying to do is make you get up out that chair and make you move. Joe, can you please get out of the way? I am trying to go to the grocery store over here, and I do not. Really? This is not the time to be doing this, Joe. Get out of the way or I'm gonna run you over! Really? This is the best intro you could come up with? Wow, what the hell? Yeah. Damn, look at her. Joe, please don't do this again. Literally, you do this every single music video. I got the keys. No you don't. How dare you just steal our car? I am so suing. Hey, you should just be thankful that it was me that stole your car and not some random person. Like, you should be...
Fuck.
This girl is happy with getting money. This will be me. She's literally me. Same girl. Like, literally, I would not stop screaming.
Oh, hi. First of all, Joe, I really think she likes you.
I
think she loves
I do.
Who gave that away? I'm not really sure.
No idea.
Hello.
Hi.
Oh my god, I would
Oh my
literally
god,
cry.
someone pinch me. This is not happening right now.
I feel like
I would
I
literally
want to
cry.
know
I
more
don't know how
about
she's
the
so calm
history of
right
Ain't
now.
No Other Man But Joe Jonas history. Were you singing that to Joe?
I was trying.
I would have tried to, yes.
I'm so sorry I didn't turn my
No,
chair.
you're fine.
I didn't notice the t-shirt. I'm like, okay. We didn't stand a chance.
I feel like really out here living my dream.
Did you only
life.
just see the t-shirt?
I didn't realize.
You didn't see the shirt.
I'm looking at the skirt and the
Yeah.
So, are you a fan of the Jonas Brothers?
I
Or
am
The
a
Ansi
huge
as well.
Jonas Brothers fan. Huge. I played Pin the Lips on the Jonas Brothers at my 13th birthday party. Like, I love you guys so much.
I remember that party.
were you a fan of Camp
Time.
Rock? Oh wow. Do
And
you
then
know
watch what happens after this. This girl
You know the Camp Rock duet with Demi.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, sing it with her.
I would have like forgotten the lyrics. Like I'm really good at like remembering lyrics and that, but I would have completely forgotten the lyrics if Joe was like on the phone. Like I would have just been like, I can't even remember the words though, so I hope you do.
Can we give it a try?
Oh my god. Oh my
Don't
god,
reject
I'm
the
gonna
man,
forget the
jeez.
words. But like, can you just...
Then I'll go back to my chair.
No,
I'll
no,
turn
no,
around.
Don't you dare.
No?
Oh my god, oh my
Oh, you're
god.
coming to me.
Can I just... Oh my god, this is actually... Can you pinch me? Pinch me. Just pinch... Oh my god!
Literally, this
Shall we
girl
try it?
is
Shall we
amazing.
we'll sing the This Is Me?
This girl is really out here living my dream. I would have like, how is she so calm? I don't know, but I would have.
Can't remember the words.
Yeah, me. Like, how are you okay right now? Like, literally.
Wow. Hablas entre español.
What the heck? What the heck? What the heck? What the heck? What the heck?
No,
What the heck?
Spanish at all.
No.
Hey.
Sorry, why'd
Hey,
you
me
do
too.
that?
We'll
No, 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 no. Alright, if you're gonna sing my song, you better do it right. Okay, calm the hell down. That is not how you do it, okay? That is way too high, alright? You better watch, okay? This is how you do it, alright? Just watch. Just watch. Okay? No, 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 no. You're doing it wrong. You're doing it wrong. Just watch me, dude, okay? This is how you do it, okay? This is down with the masterpiece. When it's down with the masterpiece. You should be wrong with me. You should be wrong with me. I am totally leaving my boyfriend for Joe.